Hi everyone, in this video, I'll explain why the Bluetooth settings menu becomes grayed out on a Pioneer stereo. I will show you what you can do to enable it, and I will also show you how to enable video playback. So these features are disabled for safety while the car is moving, and they will only become enabled once the car is parked and the parking brake is engaged. The stereo has a parking brake wire at the back, which should be connected to the vehicle as indicated in the installation manual for the stereo. Then once the parking brake is engaged, the stereo will sense it and it will unlock these features. So when the parking brake is on, the Bluetooth settings menu should become available right away, and now tapping on it will display all of the Bluetooth settings. Now just turn the connection on and all of the functions will become available as long as the parking brake remains engaged. And if the parking brake is disengaged, all of the options will become grayed out. Video playback is also disabled when the parking brake is not on, and this message will appear when trying to play video. Once the parking brake is on, a different message will show up asking you to release and reapply the parking brake. This is done on purpose to make sure the parking brake wire is connected properly and it hasn't been bypassed. And once the parking brake is released and re-engaged, the OK button becomes available and videos can be played now. So that's how the stereo should operate normally. However, in case the Bluetooth settings menu remains grayed out even when the parking brake is engaged, then it's very likely that the parking brake wire at the back of the stereo is not connected properly. If you're sure the wire is connected, try disconnecting and reconnecting the car battery, which will reset the stereo and perform a factory reset on the stereo. And if that still doesn't help, to get the wire hooked up properly, you can call up your local car audio shop, and most of them should be able to hook it up for you. For anyone looking to connect this wire on their own, I will have a link down below to a website that provides car wiring information for most vehicles. Make sure to read and follow the installation instructions for the stereo, and keep in mind that connecting the wrong wires together could cause damage to the stereo and the vehicle. If you found this video useful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Your support is really appreciated, and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be posting more videos in the future. Thanks for watching!